Installing PhonePad 5 on your workstations is a breeze. With just a few clicks you will be up and running quickly. Let's have a look at how it's done. This screen displays the login details for the default administrator account that is automatically created for you. If you are setting PhonePad up for the first time, you will need to use these login details to log into PhonePad, so that you can create some users for your staff. If that has already been done, you can log in using the user account that has been set up for you. This is the final step in the installation of the PhonePad 5 workstation software. When the first checkbox is checked, PhonePad will automatically start when you click the Finish button. When the second checkbox is checked, the PhonePad user guide will be displayed. You can also access the user guide from within PhonePad. Congratulations! You have successfully installed PhonePad 5 on your workstation. Now you will need to install it on the other workstations you have. The great news is you only have to do this once on each workstation. When you update PhonePad on your server or host PC, your workstations will update automatically.